Good afternoon, everyone. I hope all of you are fine. Cambridge International School Dasua has taken the initiative for e-learning at this time of crisis COVID-19 pandemic. Myself Rita from Cambridge International School Dasua, and today I am going to teach you chapter executive, and the topics I would be covering in it: different types of executive, parliamentary executive in India. Shall we start? Yes. Let me clear the word executive to you. What is executive? Who is in charge of the administration of your school? Who take important decisions in a school or in a university? Did you ever think about this? In any organization, some office holder has to take decision or implement those decisions. We call this activity administration या फिर management कह देते हैं, है ना? तो but administration requires the body at the top. That will take policy decision or the big decision and supervise and coordinate the routine administrative functioning. You may have heard about the executive in a big companies and banks or industrial units. Fine. So now we shall do what are executives in political system. A body of persons that looks after the implementation of rules and regulations in actual practice. वो executive होते हैं देश के. Executive is also involved in framing the policy of the government. Fine. So what are the principal functions of executive? You can say executive is a branch of a government responsible for the implementation of law. जितने कानून बनेंगे उनको लागू करने की उनको इम्प्लीमेंशन की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी वो एग्जीक्यूटिव की होगी एंड द पॉलिसी इज अडॉप्ट बाय द लेजिस्लेचर. हाँ, तो द एग्जीक्यूटिव इज ऑफन इन्वॉल्व इन फ्रेमिंग ऑफ पॉलिसीज. द ऑफिशियल डेजिग्नेशन ऑफ द एग्जीक्यूटिव वेरी फ्रॉम वन कंट्री टू अनदर कंट्री. हमारे देश में और हैं, लंदन में, अमेरिका में और हैं, फाइन श्रीलंका में, ब्राज़ील में डिफरेंट एग्जीक्यूटिव हैं. सो सम कंट्रीज हैव प्रेसिडेंट्स, फाइन, while others have chancellors. So the executive branch is not just about presidents or prime ministers or ministers. It also extends to the administrative machinery like civil servants. You can say IAS and IPS, IAS officers. While the head of the government and their ministers. So we can say that together all people known as their political executive. Fine. So further, one more thing is to clear to you what are the different types of executive. The same page, my dear students, I have taken from your book, page number 80. Fine. And the topic is what are different types of executive. Every country may not have some type of executive. You may have heard about the President of USA, the Queen of England, but the power and function of the President of USA are very different from the powers of President of India. Similarly, the power of Queen of England, Elizabeth, are different from the powers of the King of Nepal. So both India and France have prime minister, but these roles are different from each other. Did you ever think why it is so? ऐसा क्यों है? हाँ, तो I am here telling you one example from different countries. See the name of the countries I have highlighted it. Fine. So please listen. You can add in your description for the answer what are different types of executive. To answer this question, we will briefly outline the nature executive existing in some of these countries. Like in USA, the USA has a presidential system and executive powers are in the hands of a president. वहाँ पर president है, तो अभी कौन है president USA में president? Donald Trump. Canada has a parliamentary democracy with a constitutional monarchy where Queen Elizabeth is the former chief of the state and the prime minister is the head of the government. फ्रांस में ऐसा नहीं है. in France, both the president and prime minister are the part of a semi-presidential system. The president appoints the prime minister. देखो यहाँ पर president prime minister को appoint करता है, हाँ, जबकि दूसरे minister जो हैं cannot dismiss them as they are responsible for the parliament. Japan has a parliamentary system with the emperor as the head of the state and the prime minister as the head of the government, head of the country, you can say. Italy has a parliamentary system. रशिया हैज अ सेमी प्रेसिडेंशियल सिस्टम. ये सेमी प्रेसिडेंशियल सिस्टम श्रीलंका में भी है, माय डियर. Germany has a parliamentary system in which president is the ceremonial head of the state, ceremony के तौर पर बस, and the chancellor is the head of the government. So अलग अलग countries में ऐसा होता है, but in this chapter we will learn about India. हमारे यहाँ कैसा है. Now types of executive. हमारे यहाँ 3 तरह के executive है my dear student, and the same flow chart you will get your page number 81. पार्लियामेंट्री होता है, सेमी प्रेसिडेंशियल ये वही है सेमी प्रेसिडेंशियल जो श्रीलंका में है, एंड प्रेसिडेंशियल. सो पार्लियामेंट्री, ये टू टाइप्स ऑफ प्रेसिडेंट्स आर देयर, टू टाइप्स ऑफ एग्जीक्यूटिव्स आर देयर ना. सो सिस्टम बेस्ड ऑन द प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ कलेक्टिव लीडरशिप. कलेक्टिव लीडरशिप में ये दोनों आते हैं, पार्लियामेंट्री एंड सेमी प्रेसिडेंशियल. लेकिन सिस्टम बेस्ड ऑन इंडिविजुअल लीडरशिप में सिर्फ प्रेसिडेंट आता है, क्योंकि उसमें इंडिविजुअल हेड ऑफ द स्टेट होता है वो. अब पार्लियामेंट्री में हेड ऑफ द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट इज नॉन एज प्राइम मिनिस्टर होता है. ठीक है, हमारे यहाँ ये है पार्लियामेंट्री. ही इज द लीडर ऑफ द मेजॉरिटी पार्टी ऑफ द लेजिस्लेचर. जिसको पार्टी में सबसे ज्यादा सीट मिलती है वो पार्टी जीत जाती है, एंड द लीडर विल बी अपॉइंटेड एज अ प्राइम मिनिस्टर. ही इज अकाउंटेबल टू द लेजिस्लेचर एंड द हेड ऑफ द स्टेट मे बी मोनार्क और प्रेसिडेंट, बट हमारे यहाँ मोनार्क नहीं है. सो मोनार्क, प्रेसिडेंट, यू कैन से कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल मोनार्की जो कि पहले फ्रांस में होती थी, इन ग्रेड 9 यू हैव रेड, and parliamentary republic, or ceremonial executive you can say both. Semi presidential क्या होता है? Semi presidential has the president as the head of the state and prime minister as the head of the government. PM and the council of PM and his council are responsible for the legislature. Presidential में क्या होता है? President ही head होता है, and he is also the head of the government, like you can say USA. हाँ, the president is usually directly elected by the people. He is not accountable to the legislature. लेकिन हमारे यहाँ पार्लियामेंट्री है, तो हम सबसे पहले we will read that. डिफरेंट तरह के एग्जीक्यूटिव कौन से होते हैं? प्रेसिडेंशियल फॉर्म जहाँ पर प्रेसिडेंट हेड होता है, लाइक यूएसए एंड ब्राजील. पार्लियामेंट्री जिसमें पार्लियामेंट हेड होती है, जैसे कि हम इंडिया, यूनाइटेड किंगडम, इंडिया, जर्मनी, इटली, जापान. सेमी प्रेसिडेंशियल जैसे कि श्रीलंका, फ्रांस एंड रशिया. दीज आर द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ executives related to that country. Now India adopted parliamentary. हमारे यहाँ parliamentary system है. Why we have adopted parliamentary system? अच्छा, पहले तो let me tell you what is parliamentary system. In a parliamentary system, the prime minister is the head of the government. Most parliamentary system have one president, fine, or a monarch who is the nominal head of the state. In such a system, the role of president or monarch is primarily ceremonial, and prime minister along with the cabinet wields effective power. असली रियल हेड प्राइम मिनिस्टर है. नॉमिनल एंड फॉर्मल हेड विल बी प्रेसिडेंट, जो हमारे देश में होता है. कंट्रीज विद सच सिस्टम इंक्लूड जर्मनी, इटली, जापान, यूके एज वेल एज पुर्तगाल. ठीक है, और सेमी प्रेसिडेंशियल आई टोल्ड यू क्या था, और श्रीलंका, रशिया, और उसमें श्रीलंका, फ्रांस एंड रशिया में सेमी प्रेसिडेंशियल था. अब हमने पार्लियामेंट्री सिस्टम लिया, फाइन. सो सम ऑफ द रीजन, दिस क्वेश्चन यू विल राइट इन योर कॉपीज. दिस क्वेश्चन विल बी द सेकंड वन, फाइन. सो व्हाई इंडिया अडॉप्टेड एग्जीक्यूटिव सिस्टम इन इंडिया? व्हेन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इंडिया वाज रिटन, India already had some experience of running the parliamentary system under the acts of 1919, 1935. बेटा before freedom, ये हम दोनों ने हमने ये 2 एक्ट पास कर चुके थे अंडर द ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट, 1919 का और 1935 का. ये था GOI, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया एक्ट. This experience had shown that in the parliamentary system the executive can be effective controlled by the representatives of the people, जिनको हम चुनते हैं, है ना, people चुनते हैं. The makers of Indian Constitution wanted to ensure that the government would be sensitive to the people and the public expectations and would be responsible and accountable. दूसरा चॉइस थी हमारे पास, to the parliamentary executive was the presidential form of government, but the presidential executive puts much emphasis on the president and the chief executive or as a source of executive power. सारी की सारी पावर उसके पास होनी थी. So we can say that the makers of our constitution, जो कि हमारे constitution के makers थे, fine, उन्होंने ये सोचा, वो ये चाहते थे that a government would have a strong executive branch, but at the same time enough safeguards should be there, fine, to check against the personally cult. So familiarity with the system and responsible government prevent despotism. ऐसा ही होगा तो डेस्पोटिज्म और डिक्टेटरशिप खत्म होगा. सो वी हैव इम्पोज्ड पार्लियामेंट्री फॉर्म ऑफ government. One more thing I would like to add here कि parliamentary system of India. According to this system, there is a president who will be the formal head, as I told you, and the prime minister will be the real head. So this column, this page I have taken from your book. हाँ, तो let me explain कि parliamentary system क्यों है इंडिया में, because this will be, you will add this paragraph in your answer. The Constitution of India vests the executive power of the Union formally by in the President. Formal तरीके से बेटा formality के लिए President है. हाँ. The President exercises these powers through the Council of Ministers headed by the Prime Minister. Prime Minister is the real head. The President is elected for a period of 5 years. ठीक है, but there is no direct president, but there is no direct election by the people for the office of president. The president is elected indirectly. हम सीधा नहीं चुनते उसको बेटा. We choose our representative and further they choose our prime minister. So indirectly we choose our president. This means that the president is elected by the ordinary citizen, but by the elected MLA और MP. हम MLA MP चुनते हैं और वो आगे जाके हमारे president चुनते हैं. तो indirectly हम ही चुनते हैं अपने president को. One more thing I would like to add here, this election takes place in accordance with the principle of proportional representation with a single transferable vote, जिसको हम STV भी कहते हैं, single transferable vote. The president can be removed. वैसे ऐसा अभी तक हुआ नहीं है कि president को कभी हमने remove किया हो, but the president can be removed from the office only by the parliament for the following procedure of impeachment. Impeachment एक ऐसा जरिया है जिसके जरिए हम प्रेसिडेंट को उसके ऑफिस से रिमूव कर सकते हैं. दिस प्रोसीजर रिक्वायर्स अ स्पेशल मेजॉरिटी एज एक्सप्लेन्ड इन लास्ट चैप्टर. आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर ना स्पेशल मेजॉरिटी क्या था उसमें. द ओनली ग्राउंड फॉर इम्पीचमेंट इज वायलेशन ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. अगर प्रेसिडेंट ने कुछ ऐसा किया है विच इज़ नॉट अकॉर्डिंग टू द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, हाँ वायलेट हुआ एक्ट और समथिंग रॉन्ग विद द कंट्री, so impeachment होता है उसके. It is a long process, it is a difficult process, even it is a very insulting process for that person who would be removed from the office. So this is a parliamentary system of India. Now the whole topic we have done. It means Indian executive, national level पे president, prime minister, council of ministers and civil servants, you can say IAS IPS officer. State level पे governor, chief minister, council of ministers and civil servants, you can say IAS IPS officer at the state level also. So ये थे हमारे executive in India. Now you will answer 3 questions. हमने 3 पढ़े तो you will answer these 3 questions because you can take help from page number 83, 82, 83, 84 and 85. And don't forget to observe the pictures or cartoon related to that topic. But one good news for you, you can ignore this time, you can ignore plus boxes. Fine. So question number 1, what is an executive? Explain the principal function of the executive. ये हमने सबसे पहले किया आज. How many types of different executive? जो हमने flow chart मैंने आपको दिखाया ना. Describe the examples of different countries. All the countries, 6-7 countries you have to give example, which I told you, and those names of the countries were highlighted. Briefly describe the parliamentary executive in India. So these 3 questions, my dear students, you will write in your notebook, which are available at home. Otherwise you can note down all the major points and explanation and please tag in your folder. So further we will discuss next topic कि president की power और prime minister की power क्या होती है. Till now, thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy your learning.